Hi everyone, and welcome to this episode of Bake Like a Pro. I wanted to talk to you about some of the three things that I like to have in my baking arsenal to have a successful experience when I'm baking, especially when you're doing breads. The first is having a stand mixer. This really helps with the long kneading times many of these recipes call for. If you can get one with a lot of wattage, therefore it can really stand up to the test of time of the long kneading process that you have. The other is weighing out everything in a scale. I use it to the gram settings. Most good scales have them. They're not very expensive, and it's much easier to either increase or decrease a recipe when you use it in grams, especially if you're trying to do 3/4 of a 2/3 of a cup. So it's so much easier when the grams are there, and most recipes, whether they're online or on a cookbook, do include the gram and measurements on there. Lastly, I like to use a instant read thermometer. This is really good to really give you an accurate reading of the internal temperature of your breads. So when you think you're getting close to the time of it being done, you can insert it and tell whether the bread is complete. Most recipes do give you an internal temperature that it should be, but usually most breads are at least 195 degrees between that and maybe 205. So if you're in that range, you know your bread is done regardless of what it looks like on the outside. So hopefully these tips will help you at least starting in your baking journey, and love to hear from you. Have a great day.